In this video, we'll be studying probability class 10th topic. This topic in board exam carries around 4 marks. I've tried to cover all possible questions from probability, MCQ based questions, assertion reason based questions, short answers, case study. So let's get started. Question number 1, a card is selected at random. So first you should know कि 52 playing cards में कौन कौन से suits होते हैं. So 52 cards divided into 4 different suits: spade, black in color, club, black in color, diamond, and heart. Every suit has one king, one queen, one jack. These all are your face cards. These are face cards and rest are your regular cards. So in total you have 13, 13 and 13. 52 divided by 4 is 13. Now question says what is the probability that the card drawn is spade or a king. Spade भी हो सकता है और king भी हो सकता है. So total is, first you should know the formula of probability. Favorable outcomes upon total number of possible outcome. Now how many cards are in your favor? Spade. How many spades are? 13 spades. So 13. It includes one king. Now how many kings are left? Club king, diamond king and heart king. So plus 3 upon 52. This will be 16 upon 52. Cancel it. 4, 4, 16. 1, 3. Next, the probability that cannot exist among the following. Probability can't be negative, cannot be negative. So this one, it should lie between 0 and 1. Next, the probability that the number selected at random from the number 1 to 15. So total we have 15 numbers, multiple of 4. So it will be 4, 8 and 12. So total 3 numbers, hence probability of an event is 3 by 15, which is 1 by 5. Next, for an event P of E plus P of not E, this is not E. कोई भी इवेंट की होने की probability और P not E is ना होने की probability is Q. So we know होने की probability plus ना होने की probability is 1. This implies Q is 1. Now substitute the value here. 1 square minus 4. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. This is the answer. Next, from the letters of word mobile. Now how many letters are there? There are 6 letters. Total is 6. A letter is selected at random. The probability that the selected letter is vowel. How many vowels we have? We have O, we have I, we have E. So 3. Probability of an event is 3 by 6, which can further be reduced 1 by 2. Next, 2 dice are tossed simultaneously. So we have total 36. How? There are 6 faces and how many times we are tossing? 2 times. That is why 36 event. The probability of getting odd number on both the dice. Odd number on both dice. That means 1 1, 1 3, 1 5. 2 वाली लाइन नहीं आएगी क्योंकि उसमें से एक हमारा इवन है. Then we have 3 1, 3 3, 3 5. Again 4 वाली लाइन नहीं आएगी. Then 5 1, 5 3, 5 5. Then again 6 वाली लाइन नहीं आएगी. So how many possible we have? 9. So 9 upon 36, which is 1 by 4. Next, 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. Now these are coins. So we have head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail, head. This is the sample space or possible outcome. Exactly one head. Exactly one head. These two exactly one head. So probability of an event is 2 by 4, which can be further reduced to 1 by 2. Next, 3 rotten eggs are mixed with 12 good ones. So total eggs is equal to 12 plus 3. So we have 15 eggs. One egg is chosen at random, that it is a rotten egg. So favorable outcome कहाँ से आएंगे? हमारे 3 rotten eggs में से. So that is why 3 upon total. Final answer will be 1 by 5. Next, 17 cards. So total number of cards हमारे हो गए 17. Divisible by 3 and 2. 3 and 2 means जो भी number 6 से divisible होगा वो 3 से भी होगा और वो 2 से भी होगा. So we will check how many numbers are divisible by 6. So we have favorable 6 and 12. This is our favorable outcome. So in total we have 2 numbers which are in our favor. Hence probability of an event is 2 by 70. Now these are assertion reason based questions. Read both statements. In a simultaneous throw of a pair of dice, the probability of getting a doublet. So how many doublets we have? We have 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, and 6 6. So there are 6 doublets. So what will be the probability? 6 by 36, 1 by 6. So this one is true. The probability of an event may be negative, never. Probability can never be negative, so this one is false. Assertion is true. Reason is false. So we have C option. Next, the probability of winning a game is 0.4 and the probability of losing is 0.6. As we know, probability होने की और ना होने की का sum 1 होता है. Yes, this is giving you 1. So this is true. Now this is also true. And इसी फॉर्मूले से हम फर्स्ट assertion सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. That means this is the correct explanation. So out of A, B, C, D, when we have assertion true, reason true, and reason is the correct explanation, then option will be A. Next, the probability of getting exactly one head in tossing a pair of coins. So these are the favorable outcomes. total outcomes, not favorable outcome, total outcome. Exactly one head, these are exactly one head. So it will be 2 by 4. That will give you 1 by 2. So this is true. The sample space of 2 coins is, this is also true. And using this, we are solving assertion. So both are true and R is the correct explanation. Hence option A. Next. The probability of a leap year has 53 Sundays. So in total we have 52 weeks and 1 extra day. This is regular year. When it is a leap year, we have 52 weeks plus 2 extra days. Now these 2 extra days can be Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday. All are the possibilities. Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday. So how many possibilities we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total is 7. And for Sundays, this is one of the possibility and this is. So favorable is 2. So probability will be 2 by 7. So this is true. The probability that a non-leap year has 53 Sundays is 5 by 7. No. When it is a 1 extra day, so it can be Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So total we have 7, but 53 Sunday होने की probability सिर्फ एक ही है. So this is false. Assertion is true, reason is false, so option is C. Next. The probability of getting a bad egg in a lot of 400 is 0.035. The number of good eggs in the lot is 386. So let's check 386 by 100 plus P of E should be equal to 1. So P of E is 1 minus 386 by 400. 400 minus 386 by 400. It will be 14 by 400. Now cancel it. Both are divisible by 2, 2, 7, 200. Now divide it. This is 0.035. This means this is true. The probability of an event P, the probability of its complementary event, ये भी true है and यही हमने use किया है यहाँ पर. So this is the correct explanation. Hence A. Next. In a cricket match, a batsman hit a boundary 9 times after 45 balls. He plays the probability does hit the boundary is 9 by 45. 9 times after 45 he hits the boundary. He does hit the boundary. It should be does not hit the boundary. This is 1 by 5. Does not will be 1 minus 1 by 5. True. And again we have used the same formula. So this is correct. hence A. Next, were born in the year, ये लीप ईयर वाला कॉन्सेप्ट हम ऑलरेडी बता चुके हैं. सो एक ही एक्स्ट्रा डे होगा. Tanvi and Manvi were born in the year 2000 and 2000 is divisible by 4. So it is a leap year. जो भी ईयर 4 से डिविजिबल है वो आपका लीप ईयर होता है. सो हैव सेम बर्थडे is 1 by 366. Leap year has 366 days. Both are true. And we have used the same reasoning. So this is also correct. Hence A. Next. A 4-digit number is formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total we have 5. इस इवन में कौन सा होगा? 2 होगा, 6 होगा, 8 होगा. So probability 3 by 5. This is true. The unit digit of even number is also an even. Correct? Even number का unit digit भी even ही होगा. क्या हमने ये यूज किया है? Both are true, but we haven't used this. So not the correct explanation. The correct explanation. That is why it is B. A dice is rolled. The probability of getting a composite number. हमारे पास numbers क्या होंगे जब हम dice को roll करेंगे, single dice को? Total we have 6. Composite number कौन कौन से? Which have more than 2 factors. So 4 और 6 है. That means probability क्या हो जाएगी हमारी? 2 by 6, which is 1 by 3. Now probability of getting a prime number, ये तो हमारा ट्रू हो गया. प्राइम नंबर कौन कौन से है? 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 2 है prime, 3 है prime, 5 है prime. So we have 3 numbers which are prime. So 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. So ये हमारा false हो गया. Assertion is correct. Reason is false. So option is C. When a dice is rolled, the probability of getting a number which is a multiple of 3 and 5 both. 3 और 5 दोनों का मल्टीपल होने के लिए ये 15 का मल्टीपल होना इम्पोर्टेंट है. बट हमारे पास डाइस में नंबर होते हैं 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. इसमें से कोई भी 15 का मल्टीपल नहीं है, तो ये हमारा हो ही नहीं सकता. हेंस दिस इज ट्रू. 0 होगी इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी. एंड बिकॉज दिस इज एन इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. We are using the impossible event concept here, hence A part. Next is our case-based questions. This is case study. A computer-based learning, CBL, refers to any teaching methodology that makes use of computer for any information transmission at an elementary school level. Computer application can be used to display multimedia lesson plans. A survey was done on 1,000 elementary and secondary school of Assam, and they were classified by the number of computers they had. This is the data they recorded. Now, based on these information, solve the following questions. So one by one, let's solve. Number of computers 1 to 10, 250, 11 to 20, 200, 21 to 15, 290, 51, 200, 180, 101, and more is 80. Find the probability that the school chosen at random has more than 100 computers. More than 100 computers will be this one, last table. So total we have 1,000 schools. Number of favorable outcomes is 80, more than 100. So what is the probability? 80 by 1,000, which is 2 by 5. Second part, find the probability the school chosen at random has 50 or fewer computers. 50 and fewer computers, all first three. So total will remain same 1000. So we will add 250, 200, 290. All are less than 50. So probability will be 740 by 1000 reduced to 37 by 50. Find the probability the school chosen at random has no more than 20 computers. No more than 20 computers. Means first and second. 250 plus 200, which is 450. So probability will be 450 by 1000, 9 by 20. Last, find the probability that the school chosen at random has 10 or less than 10 computers. Has 10 and less than 10 computers. So first one, 1 to 10, 250 by 1000, 1 by 4. Next question. A middle school decided to run the following a spinner game as a fundraiser on Christmas, making purple. Spin each spinner once. There are two spinners. Blue and red make purple. ये हमारा winning strategy है. So if one spinner shows red and other says blue, then you win. One such outcome is written as RB. Based on the given information, solve the following questions. So let's do one by one. List all the possible outcomes of the game. So spinner 1, red, 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 blue. These are all the possible. 9, red, green, green, red, green, blue, green, green, yellow, red, yellow, blue, yellow, green. So total number of outcomes 9. Find the probability of making purple. Purple सिर्फ एक ही तरीके से create हो सकता है, that is RB. Red first or blue second. So what is a favorable outcome? 1. What will be the probability? 1 by 9. Next part, for each win a particular participants get rupees 10, but if he or she loses, he or she has to pay rupees 5 to the school. If 99 participants place, total participants 19, calculate how much fund could the school have collected. अगर पार्टिसिपेंट जीतता है तो स्कूल को 10 रुपीज देने पड़ेंगे. अगर वो हारेगा तो that particular person has to pay to school. तो हम थोड़ा रिवर्स स्ट्रैटेजी फॉलो करेंगे. नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स 99 है. विनिंग नंबर कितना होगा, क्योंकि एक ही टाइम वो विन कर सकता है, दैट इज RB. तो 1 by 99, 99 पार्टिसिपेंट्स है, 11 विनिंग नंबर. नाउ स्कूल हैज टू पे. हाउ मच स्कूल हैज टू पे? अगर 11 टाइम्स वो जीत सकता है तो स्कूल को पे करना है 10 रुपीज. दैट इज वाई वी आर डूइंग इन फेवर ऑफ स्कूल. That is why we have used negative 10. Negative 10 into 11 is 110. अब कितना वो लूज करेगा? अगर 11 वो जीत रहा है तो 19 टोटल माइनस 11, 88 टाइम्स वो हारेगा. नाउ जब वो हार रहा है तो उसको पे करना है 5 रुपीज. 5 into 88, that is 440. 88 टाइम्स वो हारेगा, दैट इज 88 into 5, 450. तो स्कूल के पास कितना अमाउंट कलेक्ट हुआ? 440 माइनस जो उसको खुद पे करना था स्कूल को, दैट इज 330 रुपीज. Next, if the same amount of rupees 5 has been decided for winning or losing the game, same, then how much fund has been collected by the school? फिर हम स्कूल के अकॉर्डिंग प्ले कर रहे हैं. The school collected the fund 5 into number of losers minus 5 number of winners. So कितनी बार उसने लूज किया है? 88 टाइम्स. कितनी बार उसने विन किया है? 11 टाइम्स. So 440 minus 55, 3